If you want to start managing your own Google profile, one of the first things you need to do is make sure that you are adding highly relevant photos and removing ones that don't actually match your services anymore. So if you go to Google and you type in your business name, when you perform that search, it's typically going to pull your profile right up. And if you have multiple profiles, you can just search for the phrase my business, and if you only have one profile, it'll pull it up just like this. And if you have multiples on your Google account, it will uh, list out those profiles. So you'll end up on a screen like this. So if you want to update your photos, click Photos. If you want to delete something, just click the delete button. It'll give you a confirmation prompt, hit delete, and it'll be gone almost instantaneously. To add photos, just click the Add Photos button. And we have a folder with the photos we want to add, so we're just going to highlight all of them, drag them over, and we're done. You can see photos we just added are marked as pending. Google does some automated checks. They typically only last a few minutes. After that process runs, your photos will be live for anyone who looks at your Google profile. Thanks for watching.